Good morning students. This video is for class 9th. In our last video we discussed about multiple cropping method and green revolution. In today's video we are going to discuss about merits and demerits of green revolution. Green revolution introduced a number of modern farming methods in India. High yield due to use of HYV seeds. Farmers start using high yielding varieties of seeds and because of which their output increases. Machines like harvesters, tractors and threshers have made plugging and harvesting faster and easier. Use of capital goods help our farmers to prepare their food crops in faster and easier manner. High yield enables farmers to sell the surplus food in market and earn money. When farmers start using HYV seeds, output of food grains increase and now they can sell these more output in market and they have opportunity to earn more money. Third one is pesticides and insecticides are able to protect the crops from pests and insects. When farmers start using insecticides and pesticides, it protects food crops from pests and insects. A good irrigation system is able to enhance crop production. Earlier, when farmers were using Persian wheels or they were dependent on monsoon for irrigation, they have faced lots of problems. But when farmers start using electric run tube wells, this make irrigation work easier and faster and farmers now able to enhance their crop production. Now let us discuss what are the demerits of green revolution. Loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Nowadays farmers are using more and more insecticides and pesticides and because of which the fertility of soil is reducing. Continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation has reduced the water table below the ground. This is also one of the demerit of green revolution. The chemical fertilizers easily soluble in water can dissolve in underground water and pollute it. It also make underground water poisonous, which is unfit for human consumption. They can kill bacteria and microorganisms helpful for the soil. Many microorganisms present in soil which are helpful, but because of excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides, nowadays these bacteria and microorganisms are killed. And last one is excessive use of fertilizers can make the soil alkaline and unfit for cultivation.